Easily create professional YouTube videos for free. You can now create high-quality videos for free in just a few minutes without showing your face or using your own voice, without any camera, microphone, etc. In today's video, we'll show you how to use ChatGPT to generate a top-notch script for your YouTube video and then use Pictory to quickly turn that script into a professional quality video.
First, you need to open ChatGPT and write on what script you want to create a video. Like I will write 10 ideas to start with YouTube channel 2023. Then a full detailed script will appear, and you can also make it small in Ms. Word by your own, but I will just write reduced to 1-minute script, then copy the script and open Pictory. Sign up with your details and you will see many options to like script to video, article to video, etc. Click on script to video and paste the script copied from ChatGPT and click proceed. Then choose template from the given one. Various theme template is given, you can choose any one as per your need and select the aspect ratio. For me it's 16:9 and click continue. After that a full video will form according to your script. You can change the visual of each sentences from media storage. After that you can choose voiceover according to your video. Then you can also add the background music and you can choose from different mood like pleasant, funny, silly, uplifting, etc. Or you can upload your own recorded voiceover for the video. You can also change the front style from multiple option given. After that you can add sticker, GIF, emoji to make it more attractive. After that you can add intro or outro scene like subscribing and thanks for watching. You can also change the scene duration, upload your own image, texture and video to apply to certain scene. After that you can preview the video if any change is needed.
Welcome to my channel. Hi, here are 10 ideas to start a YouTube channel in 2023. 1.
Then you download the video and can upload in YouTube. You can use this video for presentation in college or for branding and etc. Check out the other video in this channel to learn how to use AI in every life. Don't forget to like and subscribe if this video was helpful to you.